This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, today we are going to see that table calculations, how we are going to be write different types of table calculation irrespective of writing a calculation. At the same time, what are the different types of functions which we have it to write the table calculation. The first function, rank function. We have the rank function. Let's go for see that analysis. Let me drag first. We can go with the subcategory wise sales. Subcategory wise sales. So the main difference we need to be calculated that how that each rank function will be work. Otherwise, we can take the some sample data here. Okay. So what are the different types of rank functions we have it, and what is the difference between dense rank to normal rank and dense rank to modified rank? They will ask you questions like that. Okay. You need to be very clear about how the rank functions will be work. Excuse me. So, okay, let me go for take one sheet where I have some sample data. So how it will going to be work, we can check it. Right. Mm, SID, student ID, student name, and student fee. Okay, we can have like student ID 1, student name S1, student fees 10,000. Sorry, 1,000. Student 2 S2, and student fees is 20,000. 3 AS3, student fees is 3,000, 30,000. Student 4 AS4, I can take it, fees is same. Okay, 5 5 50,000, sorry, S5 I can give it 20,000, 50,000. 6 S6 40,000. 7 S7 I can take it as 50,000. 8 S8 50,000. 9 S9 60,000 I can mention. I have a data like this. Okay, let me save this. Let me save this and go to the Tableau desktop and try to connect to the new data source. Okay, from here I'm connecting my text. What is the source file format? What is the source type?
Excel file.
Excel file.
Excel.
Microsoft Excel, you can go for it. Microsoft Excel. On desktop we have the triple E function. Let's go for select that. Okay, sheet 2. I have my data at sheet 2. Drag the sheet 2 into canvas. Can you see that SID, S name, S fees? We have that all the details here. Yeah. Let's go for sheet 1. Let's go for next new sheet. So where I want to create a sheet on sheet 2. Okay. So S name you can take it, and S fees. So can you see all the records? So
Yeah.
if you want to give a rank to these values, how the rank function will work? How the rank function will work? Let's see that if I want to go for apply ranks on top of this. Excuse me. Okay. Analysis. Analysis. Create calculated field. So what are the different types of ranks we have it, and each rank function we can first see that. First I can go with see that we have the rank, rank dense, rank modified, rank percentile, and rank unique. Okay, these are the different types of rank functions which we have in the tableau. Rank, rank dense, rank modified, rank percentile, and rank unique. Okay, so let's see that one by one. Rank, I am going to use the rank function. In the rank function itself, I am saying that sum of sales. You need to specify that sum of SV, not sales SV. Here I am taking that student fee rate SV. Okay, if you want to define that ascending order or descending order of the rank, you need to go for give the comma after the expression and mention that if you wanted ascending order or descending order, whatever the order you wanted. ASC means ASC. Otherwise, it's a optional. You no need to mention that here. We can manually assigning descending. We can do that. Okay, apply. Okay. Now just drag the rank next to the text field labels and go for click on text table. Right now you can see that what was the
And I believe
difference in
default ascending or ascending, right?
sorry,
We didn't
default is
mention any
ascending.
ascending and
It's
descending.
ascending.
So when it order
Yeah,
it as a ascending, right? From low to high.
the default is ascending. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now you can go for make this rank is descending or ascending order, any one of it. Just click on ascending order, ascending order. Now can you see that what is the first sales? The highest sales is 60,000, the rank 1. The next continuously 50,000 is assigned to the three different students. So same rank we are assigning to that 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, 2 2 we are applying. So next one, whereas I have that 40,000, the rank 5 automatically. So the rank function will give that where we have the same values, same rank can be assigned, but those many time of serial, it's like a sequence, it will be skipped. Here you can see 2 2 2 3 ranks are assigned same number, three students have the same fee, so we can assign the three same ranks, and they skip that 3 and 4 we are skipping, directly we are giving the fifth rank. For the next student, what are the value we have it, that's we are giving the fifth rank. 3 and 4 ranks are skipping because we have the three members same rank we received it, one second rank, and 3 and 4 also we are giving the same rank because of that they have the same fees. So 3 and 4 also we are giving 2, and 3 or 4 are skipping. We are skipping entirely in the ranking area, and we are giving 5. And you can see 30, 32 rank, 6, 6 we are getting here. 7 we are skipping it here. We are giving directly 8 rank to the next student. 8 rank to the next student. The behavior of the normal rank function, you can use it. It would be like this. Behavior of the normal rank function. Let's go for analysis. Create new calculation. Okay, let's see the dense rank, how it will work the dense rank. So specify that here, dense rank, rank underscore dense. Okay, same, just I'm giving sum of sales over here. Sum of sales, sorry, not sales, student fee. Okay, right, rank dense, sum of student fee. Just apply. Okay, drag the dense rank also next to the rank. See and observe the what happening here. So 60,000 rank 1 assigned because this is the highest value student fees, and 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. The 50,000 is repeated for three students. The three students got the second rank. Second rank. Where if we go with the 40,000, the next student we are giving the rank 3. We are giving the rank 3. We are not skipping here 3 and 4. We are directly giving the next student rank 3. Okay, you can go for the next one where I have the same 30,000 fee. There we are giving 4 and 4, and next student will get the rank as 5. Okay, the dense rank behavior would be like this. The dense rank behavior would be like this. It cannot just skip the same. When you assign the same rank to that students, the next serial value should be the 3 based on the dense rank. Whereas if we go with a normal rank, the rank can be skip that ranks and it will give that directly fifth rank to the particular student in the order. Okay, this is the way the dense rank will be work. This is the way the dense rank will be. So what is the difference between rank and dense rank? They will ask you what is the difference between rank and dense rank. You need to be clearly say that rank will be skipped at 3 and 4 ranks here, and it will assign the fifth rank to the next student. Whereas if we go with the dense rank, even same number of fees we have it will assign the same rank to those many students, and the serial third rank will be assigned to the next student. Okay, we need to explain that. Okay, let's go for see the another rank function. Create calculated field, rank unique, rank underscore unique. You can go for select the rank unique. Okay, same you can mention it, sum of sales. Sum of students. Right? Apply. Okay. Drag the rank u to here. Can we see here? Based on the each row, it's going to be assigned the rank unique. So numbers to that position. That's all. It will giving that based on the data which we have it here. Ascending or descending order. You can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, fifth, sixth. There is even if we have that same sales pitch, it's giving the ranking 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Okay, rank unique, it's like a row number. It will give that numbers to that particular value. Clear that?
Yes, and
We have that rank modified. Let's see that
one
one
question.
as well. Yeah,
So when we when interview asks this question, we need to say as it will assign the ranking as row wise or like based on the numbers like fee. I mean,
not row wise, it's based on the sales only. Based on
okay.
the sales only. Based on sale, we are ranking applying the rank of sum of sales, right?
Yes. Yes.
Based on the value only, it will give the rank,
Okay. Yes.
not row wise. Okay. Okay, rank modified. How the rank modified will work? Rank modified sum of SP. Apply. Okay. Drag that rank modified also here. Let's see this. So what happening here? Rank modified is giving different numbers. See that? 1, we have it, and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3 they are skipping. Directly it giving the 4 for all the 3 equal value, equal features. 50, 50, 50 we have 3. They are giving the 4. Directly giving the 4, 4, 4 for that particular members. And whereas if we go over see that 5 is giving for the next member, and 6 is skipping. 6 is skipping because we have the two students have the same value. They are skipping the sixth rank, assigning that 7 to the both again. 7 7. Okay, 7 7, and it giving next when we go with value 8 is giving. Okay, 9. So how it look like? How it look like? It's you can observe here. Put it that rank and rank modified one side by side. Okay, just put that rank and rank modified. We can observe here 1 1, the rank function and rank modified. 1 1 it is giving, okay, 2 2 2 3, three values are same, we have it here, student phases, so 3 giving the 3 twos and skipping the 3 and 4. After assigning the rank, we are skipping that the ranks which are 3 and 4 and giving the next value as the rank as 5. Okay, after assigning the rank. So before going to assign the rank, we are skipping two values. For that 2 and 3, then you are assigning the rank to that value 4 4 4. So here based on the value, when we have the similar value, let me take it out, this dense rank and rank unique. So can we observe that once these two assigned to that particular values, 3 and 4 are skipping because they have the same 3 and 4th ranks are same values, so that's why they are skipping the 3 and 4. The next value they are assigning the 5. So this is after assigned to the rank, whereas if you go with the rank modified, when you go for rank modified, they are skipping first itself, so then they are assigning the ranks here. See that here we skip the 3 and 4 and given the 5th rank, but when you go for here, before assigning to the rank, they skip the 2 and 3, then assigning the same rank to that all the 3 members, 4 4 4 4. Immediate next we are taking 5, we are not skipping here because already 2 3 are skipped, the ranks are skipped because we have the same value. Okay, 4 4 4 is assigned to that all the equal values and giving 5. Again you can go for, see that after 5 6 6 same rank is assigning, but 7 is skipping here. 7 is skipping here, directly we give the 8 here. Whereas if we go with the rank modified, they can skip the ranks initially and they can go for assign the ranking. So after 5, the 6 is skipping here and assigning the 7 for the both the students, same phase which they have it, 30 30 they are giving 7, and the next value will be the 9. So it's little bit assigning the ranks properly. You can see the difference you need to be observed here. First rank, the both have the first rank who have the 60,000, student fees is 60,000, whereas I have the rank is 50,000, fees is 50,000. Ranks are same, ranks are giving same, but generally this is 50,000 rank 2, again 50,000 3, right, again 50,000 4. But when you go for apply the rank function, it will skip that 3 and 4th positions and it will give direct rank to the 5 for the next value, 5 for the next value. Okay, 5th rank. Okay, because the 3 and 4 already have here same value, that's why they are skipping that rankings, and it will give the 5 rank to it. And same way, when you go for rank modified, where you have the equal numbers, so automatically tableau what's happening, it removing and 2 and 3 positions and giving the 4th one to the all the three students, they are giving ranking 4 4 4 4. So next value they are giving directly 5. Okay, new value. And whereas if you go with the 30,000 30,000, here we can get it. Normal rank function will give the 6 and 6. It skip the 7 value. Next rank will be skip. And direct value 8, it will get assigned to that next student. But here, before we apply the rank itself, it's skipping and it's assigning the ranks to that 7 7. Okay. The difference you need to be remember that. They will ask you that what is the difference, how it will be working. Okay. These are the 4 different types of ranks which we have it: rank, rank modified, rank unique. Okay, so rank unique is simple, it will assign the individual ranks for the even equal number of pieces you have it, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, based on that sales value, right? Student pieces, this is simple. Next, rank and rank modified. Rank modified, you can put it at last. Okay, rank and dense rank, the difference you can simply identify that the rank will give that one equal number of say student phases, equal number of ranks it will give it. And how many positions, suppose this is the second rank, how many positions we are giving here? Second rank again for 2 position, 3 and 4, right? So 3 and 4 ranks will be skip, and it will assign the 5th rank to that particular value. Okay, same way 30,000, 30,000, same number of ways we have it. 6th rank is 1/6 rank, anyhow it will be there, and 1/6 rank is repeating here, so the next rank will be skip, we can assign the 8. Okay, that's a rank function behavior. And dense rank, what it will do is it doesn't skip that, it will give that next rank to the immediate student. Okay, 2 is repeated 3 times, even though it will give the third rank to that next student fee. Okay, that is the difference, main difference to dense rank and rank. Clear there? Any questions?
Clear, Anna.
Yeah. So in interview they will ask you what's the difference between rank, how the rank will behave, how the dense rank will be behave. Okay,
Okay.
and we have the one more rank function, rank percentile. So that will be used at where we can go for percentile calculation. Generally when we go for assign the gate rank, we have the percentile, right? So that kind of percentile ranking we can go for use that dense rank, sorry, percentile rank. Okay, so that's we can see that when we go for discuss the percentile. So other than that, dense rank, modified rank, unique rank, these are clear. Rank, okay, it's very important in every interview question they will ask.
Oh,
Yeah, any question? So what is the lookup function? What is the use of the lookup function? Yesterday in an interview, one guy asked me what is the lookup function. Anyone can tell me what is the lookup function?
Look up particular value.
Where we can use this lookup?
if I want to search any data in the table, we can use lookup, whether it is true.
Lookup, you can use the lookup function in the to extract the particular like the data or something, some value. We can use that and we can search from the data. We can take visualize the data.
If
Okay,
you have data two or more tables, we have to use the lookup data. Two or more tables in data. At this case, we have to use it lookup data, lookup function.
okay, okay, let me explain that lookup where we are using. When I want to go for calculate a difference between this year to this year, when I want to go calculate the difference between 2019 to 2018, 2020 to 2019, 2021 to 2022, the difference I want to calculate it. How can we Tableau know that I want to subtract 2019 data minus 2018? How it will be know that?
Table across. Hello.
Yeah, it's a table across only. But
Yes.
how it know that I want to subtract only this value? Can I subtract 2020 minus 2018, right? Why it should go for subtract only that 2019? How it will know that?
Mm.
Table across means if we write it at same row itself, table across, we can say that. If we have a data like this, I'm saying that you can go for take that previous value, subtract the previous value.
So the behavior of the function is like that also. So it will take from the from to differentiate. It will take from second value to to differentiate from the first value, like that. It will continuously, it will keep on doing.
Yeah, a current row, we can go for current row. This is the first column, 2018. You will know that this is the first, my first row. Okay, I want to subtract my previous year, 2017. We don't have it any. And when we come to 2019, 2019, when I go for subtract into my previous 2018, how Tableau will know that 40,000 minus 524 minus this value, I need to do that. How it will know that? This is current value, subtracting sum of this value minus sum of this value. So how Tableau can go for identify this value in the table? So there we can use it. Lookup of previous value, lookup minus 1, we mentioned that. Lookup of sum of sales minus 1. It means you can go with my previous position. Minus 1 means previous position value and subtract it. How it will do? You can go for see that table calculations, quick table calculations, difference I am calculating. Select the difference. Okay, when I go for say that select difference, I shown you in the last meeting, I shown you this logic as well. Control C, I copied it and notepad pasted and I shown you that. Okay, so Zn of sum of sales minus Zn of sum of sales minus. So look up Zn of sum of sales comma minus 1. Minus 1 means it's a previous position. It will go back to the one position. Minus 1 means one position.
Why we are using ZN here and since we don't have any number.
What is the use of the Zn function?
It makes sure
Nullifying zero values. Nullifying zero values, bro.
Zn function will convert the null values into zeros.
yes.
Zn function simple. Each and every calculation you can use the Zn function or if null function. It will convert the zeros nulls into zeros.
Yes.
Okay. Zn of sum of sales minus lookup of Zn of sum of sales. If suppose if I mention 2 here, what happens? Can anyone tell me that? What happens if I mention minus 2 here?
We don't get result because we have only data from
2017 data also 0.
So we'll get only 20 and 21 data. So 2018 and 19 data, it will be like zeros.
-2.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, because of minus 2, what happens? Tell me. Data, okay, fine. What process it will be happens in the report calculation?
It's going 2017 also.
Okay. If I mention minus 2, how the calculation will work?
2020 minus 19, 21 minus 20.
That is minus 1. If I mention minus 1, whatever you said.
since we have this table, I hope it's working. 2019 minus 18, 2020 minus 19. I mean 2020, 2021 data will be there, and remaining two will be like yeah, it's empty.
So it will differentiate from 20 minus 29. So whatever value will get from that, it will be like again it will differentiate from 2018.
Okay. If we mention minus 2 here, 2018 go back to the 2 years previous. 2018 data minus 2 look up into the 2 years. There is no 2 years. 2017 data you don't have it. 2016 data you don't have it. So you can get the null here. When you go for 2019, it's again look up into the 2 positions. This is 2018 one position and there is one more position it will look up it. There is also null data. it get the nulls only. When you say that 2020, you come to 2020, it look up into two positions. Okay, 2020 data minus 2018 data, it will happen because we are saying that go for minus two positions. So 2020 minus 2018, it will be happen. The result will be get it here. 2021 means 2021 data minus 2019 data, it will be happen. Number of positions you increase it, number of position lookup will be changed. Okay, 2020 minus two positions. This is one position, this is second position. So 2021 minus 2019. Okay, that's the meaning of minus 2. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes, clear, Anna.
We can look up into those many positions. I already explained you last session. So if I want to get the zeros for here 2018, how we can get the zeros for 2018?
We'll use comma here, comma 0.
No, we need to apply the Zn, one more Zn function for entire calculation. We can get that value. Here you can double click on it, delete that, paste it here, remove minus 2 to minus 2. Get the zeros. Okay, this is the way we can get the zero values here. So why earlier it's not zero means earlier it was 2018 value minus 2017, there is no data, it's like a null value. So if you do any operation with null, you can get the null value only. Okay, that null we are converting into zero now. Zn function for entire function, so you can get the zero value. Okay, just a minute, 1 minute. Yeah, so clear this. So how we can suppose here I mentioned that double click on this calculation. here you can mention 2. What will happen? Enter. Okay, it will go for 2 positions. The value which we are getting 2020-21 minus 2019, this is the value. Okay, practically you can check that. Go for that, take that value, and difference you can calculate it. You can get the same values. You can specify that number of position, previous values you want to look up it. Those many values you can go for look up and subtract that value. Okay, so the difference you want to be understand it. So simple, go for new sheet, subcategory, and sales. Okay, so here I want to look up analysis, create calculated field, write only lookup function. Okay, lookup, what is the value you want to be look up, sum of sales. Okay, offset value, how many positions you want to go back, how many positions you want to go back, minus 1 position I want to look up. Okay, 1 position I want to look up into the previous position. Okay, let's go for apply. Okay, so drag it into next to the text and click on text table. If you observe that the lookup value what it's showing, appliances showing that lookup of the accessories value, appliances showing that accessories value, and art showing that appliances value, because it will look up into the previous value in the order. Okay, so these are the subcategories we have it, these are the subcategories we have it. In the table down process it will look up into that previous value. Okay, minus 1 means previous value. If we give minus 2, let's go for write one more calculation, analysis, create new calculation, look up 2 positions. Okay, look up sum of sales, look up sum of sales, offset value I can mention minus 2. Okay, let's apply. Okay, drag it into next to the lookup. What it's showing for the arts, it's look up into the 2 positions and it will get accessories values for the arts. Okay, binders, if we go for binders, it's showing that minus 2 positions. From the binders it will go for previous 2 positions and it will get that value. Sorry, clear this point, how the lookup is working?
Yes, and it
Yes.
will
We
skip.
can look up into that a number of positions. Which position you want to be look up into? Yes, you can do that. Yeah.
సరే ఇదే డేట్ మీద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయొచ్చా అండి ఈ లుక్అప్ వాల్యూ ఇది డేట్ లో?
Yeah, you can take that. Suppose if you go for take the date field, order date, you can take it and go
Okay.
for select the exact date and go for take it as discrete. I have the individual dates. Okay, you have that sales or profit, whatever you want to take it, take that. Right, analysis, create calculated field, we are look up into that now.
Dates.
Profit value, profit.
Profit.
Okay, here I can go for lookup function, you can use it, sum of profit, sum of profit. So how many positions you want to be look up, that's you need to mention minus 1 position first. Let's go for take that minus 1 position, apply. Okay, look up profit, drag it here. You can see that. previous position, we can get it as here. Okay. So whereas if we go for calculate the difference, so I want to calculate difference between my previous, suppose current date to previous date. So 1/6/2018 sales minus previous day sales. This one minus this one, we can do that. Then how we can write the calculation? Analysis, create calculated field. Okay, subtracting previous day sales. How I can write the calculation? Tell me that.
Zn of
Yeah, Zn of
sum of profit
sum of profit
minus
minus
Zn of
Zn of
sum of profit
sum of profit
minus 1.
comma minus 1. Okay, here profit is, so we need to select the field profit field. What is the error? Expected closing parenthesis or comma while passing augment list for Zn. Okay, sum of sales, here we closed it, and here we can go to Zn. But you forgot to specify that how many positions. You need to be lookup, right? You need
Yeah,
to be
look up.
lookup.
Yeah,
Lookup function you need to be specified here. Lookup function you need to be specified.
actually, lookup of Zn we have to write, not Zn should be
Before
after lookup.
minus lookup Zn.
Here you can take it out. Here you can put the Zn. Okay, and close it here. So what is the error? Expected closing parenthesis for expression starting with a character. So number of here now sum of. So one more position, one more parenthesis you need to be closed. Excuse me. And lookup sum of sales one we have opened, and for a Zn one more we and lookup. I think you need to close one more for the lookup parenthesis.
No, before lookup, we have to open one more bracket before lookup.
Yeah, we need to take it out either. We need to be close it one more with that. Okay, now you can see that the calculation is valid. Apply. Okay, drag it to the next to that. So now we can see that. So why we are getting 1 for 2018 minus 72 we are getting results. Why we are getting minus 72? Minus 66 minus 6 we are doing that. We are subtracting that previous day value. Minus 66 minus 6. So minus minus we get the minus 72 only. 5 minus 66. 5 minus 66. 5 minus minus 66. Minus into minus we can get it plus. That's why we are getting 71 here. Okay, 1358 minus 5. 1358 minus 5, 1353 we are getting results. Okay, minus 72 minus 1358. Minus 72 minus. So total we are going to be get minus value 1430. Okay, this is the way we are going to be use the lookup function. This is the way we are going to use the lookup function. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Anna.
Next, we can go for see that one more function here, create calculation. Index function. We have the index function as well. What is the use of the index function in Tableau? What it will give the index function?
I guess it assign the
It
numbers.
will it will it will give the position of the rank something index.
Yeah, it will give the numbers for the based on the position. First row number 1, second row number 2, third row number 3, fourth row number 4, fifth row number 5. Irrespective of sales, it will give that numbers. You don't consider that what is the sales value and you need to give the particular value like that. That is the rank. But when you go for index, just it will give the number of rows. It's like a first row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it will give the numbers over there. Okay, let's go for apply. Okay, drag the index here. So it will give the numbering to that particular row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to create a serial number in the visualization, you can go for use the index. Okay, it will give the index for based on the row. It will give the index value. Excuse me.
Don't mind. Can you please drag besides this that unique uh, rank? We have unique rank here.
I'll go for unique rank of unique. Rank we have applied on this data. Okay.
Unique rank. Unique.
Yeah, let me write a rank function. Okay, go for analysis, create calculated field, rank, unique. On top of which one we are applying the rank?
Sum of profit. Really.
Profit.
Profit. Oh,
Just apply. Okay. So name we give it.
It's somewhere it's
unique unique rank.
Calculation one. Calculation one.
Yeah, I dragged.
okay. Okay, okay. I got it.
So rank unique is based on the value. Based on the value, it
Okay,
will bring that.
got it.
Index
Thanks.
irrespective of ranking positions, it will give the first row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
Okay.
like that.
Thanks, Andy. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. And let's go for C. So just I want to bring you here subcategory, subcategory, and order date and sales as well. You can go for take the sales. So now what is our requirement is a difference I want to calculate. Yeah, we are really going to see that difference. How we can calculate the difference between 2019 to 2018. The formula is there, predefined formula is there. You can directly go with a measure, any measure. Okay, in that measure we have the add table calculation, quick table calculation. Two options you can find it. Okay, add table calculation or quick table calculation. Quick table calculation means already the calculation is there. Just you need to go for select that option. Just you need to go for select that option. So difference means select the difference. So the difference will be calculated based on the previous 2019 value minus 2018, 2020 minus this one, 2021 minus this one. Okay, the difference values we are getting here. So I want to know that percentage of difference. What is the percentage of difference? Okay, let me take it again. Subcategory and sale. Year wise, I want to get it. Yes. And percentage of difference, how much? Excuse me. Percentage of difference means so 40,524 minus 25014. Okay. the difference on top of the difference should be how much percentage on this particular 2018 value. So I want to be calculated. What I want to calculate it is the value which we are getting difference is how much percentage is grown, or so compare with my previous year. So growth is there or decline? Sales grown or decline compared to my previous year? We can see that growth is there because here 2018 sales was 25,000 something. We have a 2019 40,000 above, right? So sales anyhow compare with the previous year, my sales was grown. But here I want to how much percentage is grown, how much percentage. Okay, the difference which we have it, that's how much percentage on this particular 2018 value. How much percentage on this 2018 value. Got my point? So suppose you can take it here. I have a 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Okay, this is the 10. Okay, this is 20. This is 40. And this is 30. I can say that. So now, so from the 2018 to 2019, sales was grown or declined? Tell me. Sales is increased or decreased?
Increase.
Increased. How much increased?
10.
10.
10. 10, 10 is increased. So now the difference is how much percentage on this value. How much percentage on this value? If we go with
100%.
how much? How much?
100%.
100%.
100%. So the growth was there 100%. How we can calculate it is 20 minus 10 divided by 20 minus 10 divided by on top of which value we are calculating, on top of 2018 value. So 10 I can give it. Okay.
Into 100.
Into 100 also there. When we go for calculate the percentage, into 100 would be there. The value 1 we can get it into 100. So the growth is 100%. Clear? So let me write the formula here. So how we can write it the formula? So E minus E3, E3 minus E3 minus D3 divided by D3 overall into 100. Alright. E3 minus 20 minus D3 10 divided by E3 into 100. Okay, just Excel formula. Before this formula we need to put it equal to and submit enter. 100%. Same formula we can apply here. Here you can observe that 40, 20, 20. 40 minus 20, how much percentage? 40 minus 20, 20. 20 is the difference.
200.
20 divided by 20 into 100, 100%. 100 only, right?
Yes.
These two, we need to be compared 2020 to 2029, 2019.
20 profit again is
Okay.
noted.
40 minus 20 divided by 20 into 100. 20 divided by 21 into 100, 100%. Whereas if you see that, observe here. So 2020 we have the sales is 40. 2021 the sales is 30. Okay. How much difference is there? 10. 10 divided by 40 into 100. The difference declined is 10%. 10% is how much percentage on 40? 25%. Are you getting correct results? Yes or no? The simple calculation. If you are getting confused, let me know. I will explain you again. Is it clear or not?
Clear and clear. So wherever we got it under profit, the 100% is taking, because here we have a loss in lastly, so it's considering 25. Okay. Minus
Yes, the
20.
sales was declined. That's why it's showing in the minus 25%. Okay. Same thing will happen in the tableau. Same thing will happen in the tableau. So here 40 minus 25 divided by 25, how much percentage that will be shown for 2019? Okay, 2020, 41,896 minus 40,524 divided by 40,524, how much percentage we can get it. So how we can apply the percentage of total? Simple, you can go for here quick table calculation. Percentage of difference, percentage difference. Okay, percentage difference, click on it. So you can see that the percentage growth rate for 2018 to 2019 is 62% is grown. Okay, when I come to the 2020 to 2019, 3% growth is there. Okay, compare with 2020 to 2021, 43% growth is there. Okay, whereas you have the negative values, it was sales was decline. It's not a growth, it's like a loss kind of thing. Percentage of loss compare with the previous year. So what is the formula behind this? Just double click on here, try to go for select that, how the percentage of total you are getting calculated, not percentage of total, percentage of difference. Same formula. So first one is a difference, the second one divided by the uh, uh, lookup of sum of sales minus 1. Okay, Zn sum of sales minus lookup of sum of sales minus 1. This is for the difference, right? Difference divided by previous value. What is the value? Look up into the minus 1 previous year value. That value we can take it. What is the ABS here? ABS stands for, what is ABS stands for?
Absolutely.
Absolute value. Whereas in a numerator, denominator, if you have any negative value, that will be converted into positive. Okay, denominator, if you have any negative value, that will be converted into positive. Okay, ABS is absolute value. Okay, this is the formula for calculating the percentage of difference. Okay, so manually we can write this calculation. Not only we can go for this one, we can write manually the same calculation. All right, so go for simple analysis, create calculated field, Zn of sum of sales, right? Zn of sum of sales minus lookup of Zn of sum of sales comma, how many positions we want to look up into that? Minus 1 position. All right, so you got this point or not? So on divided by control C, overall function, entire calculation can be divided by previous lookup Zn of sum of sales minus 1. Look up into the previous value. Okay, same formula. This is the formula, we can get that same results. Okay, so apply. Okay, you can take the calculation 2 also into here. Can you see that 62% is, yeah, into multiplied into 100, we need to do that in the calculation 2. Edit it for entire calculation. You can go for entire calculation into 100. 0.00. Okay, apply. Okay, see that you are getting same value 3.39, 3.4, 43.1, 43.08. So number of percentage, here you can go for write that calculation to default properties, number format, and go with the number custom, make it as 2 decimals, right? Getting same value. So this is the way we can write a calculation for that, or already the predefined calculation would be there. That you can go for utilize it, go for quick table calculation, percentage of difference. Okay, any question so far? Clear?
It's clear.
Yeah. So running total, we have the difference, percentage of difference, percentage of total. Percentage of total we know, right? How we can calculate the percentage of total? Just you can go for type analysis, create calculated field. How we can write the percentage of total? Sum of sales divided by total. We have function called as total sum of sales. Okay, sum of sales, it will take that individual sum of sales of the each subcategory divided by total sum of sales. All the total value of all the subcategories we can take it total sum of sales. Okay, so each category how much percentage contribution it's giving, we can get it here. Okay, can you see that? The calculation 3. So what we need to do that, we need to bring that into multiplied by 100, we can get the percentage. I did that. Okay, just select it, go for write the calculation into 100.0. So number of decimal values, we need to take that number of decimal positions, go for this field, default properties, number format, number standard, number custom, 2 positions you can take it. 7.29, 4.68, the contribution for each and every subcategory. Contribution of the each and every subcategory we are getting. The total is 100%. This is the percentage of total. Percentage of total. So same value, same thing we have it here. Sum of sales, quick table calculation, percentage of total. Click on percentage of total, you can get the same values. Okay, either you can go with a quick table calculation. Already we have the formula. Directly you can use the percentage of total, or you can manually go for write the calculation for that. Manually we can write the calculation for that. The difference is when you go for write manually, you need to be suggest the number of decimal places and percentage symbol. These are all things. Whereas if you go for use that same calculation, it's already there. It will give that by default number of decimal values and percentage symbol. Okay. So that is the percentage of total. All right. And next, analysis, create calculated field. Sorry. Yeah. So next we have it moving average. Moving. Okay. What is that moving average thing? Subcategory you can take it as take it that sales as well. Okay. And duplicate that sales again. Drag that cell to next to that sum of sales and put it like so next we have good concept is called as moving average, moving sum, moving average, moving min, moving max. What is the moving average, moving min, moving max? Okay, so let's go for see that for the second measure I'm taking quick table calculation, moving average. Okay, go for that edit table calculation. You need to be understand that what is a moving calculation. And the moving, what we are calculating. So here you click on it, summarize the values, Using average, we are calculating that. Average, we are calculating. Average, we are calculating here, moving average. So previous values, how many you want to be considered? Previous values, how many you want to be considered? Sorry guys. Yeah. So we have that average here. So average, how we are calculating? Consider previous, how many values you want to be considered from the previous, and next value if you want to consider, what is the next value, number of next values you want to be considered, and what is the current value. You want to consider the current value or not. So these things we need to be specified. How it look like is, you can go for just let me show you an example. Okay. So we are in current row. This is the current row. Okay. This is the current row. So if you want to calculate average on it, this is the current row. If you want to calculate an average on it, you want to consider that previous value to do the average or not. If you want to consider the previous one value, it will go for lookup. It will go for check that one value is there or not. It is not there. It doesn't average it. If it is there, we can go for average of those two. Suppose if we come to the current value is this one. Current record is S2. Okay. If I mention that previous value is 1, previous value is 1, so you can go here and mention that average previous value is 1. Okay, previous value is 1 and next value is 0. I'm not specifying any next value. Previous value is 1. When you specify that previous value is 1, so this record will go for the previous value, sum of these two divided by 2, sum of these two divided by 2. What would be the value?
15.
Yeah.
15,000.
This is 15,000. When I go for next row, so we can get it. This value, current is this value, and previous if I mention 1, 30 plus 20, 50 divided by 2, we can get it 25 here. That's the average. Like this, it will go for end of the table, moving average. This is called a moving average. When I come to here, 30, 30, 60 divided by 2, 30 will be the output here. Okay, 50, 30, 80, 50, 30, 80 divided by that we can get it 40 divided by 2. Same, we can go with 40, 50, 90. Here we can get 45. Okay, this is called a moving average. This is called a moving average. Suppose if you mention 2, previous value is 2. Okay, previous value 2, you mention that. Okay, so what happens? So for this one, we can get the same value. When you go for here, I am specifying previous two values. So 20, 10, one more value. We don't have it, even 2, you mention it. There is no previous value. That's why it will go for sum of these two. Sum of these two divided by 2. How much? 15. Okay, coming to here. When you say that this is a current value, when you say that previous two values, consider that sum of these three. Okay, previous two values also consider. 60 divided by 3, how much you can get it?
20.
So 3, 60 divided by 3, 20 we can get it. When you come to that fourth record, sum of these three previous two records and this one divided by 3. Okay, 80 divided by 3, how much value we can get it? We can get it. That's the same thing we can defining here. Same thing we are defining here. See that 167,380 for the first record, 167,380 we are getting. When you go for appliances, so sum of these two values, 1,67,38 plus 1,07 divided by 2. Divided by 2 we can get it 1,37. Divided by 2, 1,37 we are getting. When you go for these two arts and appliances, sum of these two values divided by 2 we can get it 67. Right, 1,20 divided by 2 means 60 only, right? It's around 1,30. That's why 67 we are getting. Binders, sum of these two values divided by 2. So here we have option that you can select the next value as well. When you go for edit this calculation, you have an option to select the next value as well in the same. If you mention 1 here, what happens? If I mention 1 here, what happens? Previous value 1, next value 1, and current value also I am considering. If you check this box, current value also we are considering. Okay, so how it would be? Suppose if you come to this, let me remove this all, don't get confused, right? Okay, if I take this value, suppose this is the current one, previous one record you can consider, next one record also you can consider here. The average of these three, 3,60,000 divided by 3, how much we can get it? 10 would be here. Value would be here. Okay, next when we go for record number 3, okay, so sum of these three values, record number 3, sum of previous one value, next one value. Okay, so how much we can get it? 80 divided by 3, whatever we can get it, we can get the value here. Okay, 80,000 divided by 3. Okay, 80,000 divided by 3, we can get that much value. Same we can go for here, the previous value and the next value as well. These three we can go for sum it. 60, 50, 110 divided by 3. Whatever the value you can get it, it would be here. Okay, so this is the way we can calculate moving average. Okay, clear this? Any questions?
Clear, and the whatever position we will mention, that will sum up of those values and divided by for that.
Exactly. So where exactly this calculation we can use it? So if you go with the order date I am taking, and sales I am taking here. Okay, let me put this into a month. Okay, discrete values I can go for it. Okay, so I want to take one more line, sum of sales copy. Okay, this I can put it, let me take it like this. And here I want to go for moving average. Okay, edit this calculation. I want to consider that previous 2 months values, previous 2 months and current one as well. So I can go for show you that this particular visualization in line bar. Okay, this is the actual sales. So moving average, you can define that considering previous 2 months. How was the trend of the sales on average? Okay, you can easily understand it. Last 2 months comparison on average, how was the trend is happening with the sales each month wise. Okay, so we can go for whereas if in just related to the stock market, moving average, it's going out of the moving average for last 2-3 months or not, we can check it, and we try to invest in the position where you want to be invested. That kind of calculation they can go for use the moving average. Okay, so while they
Am I?
are going to graph, yeah,
I am dropping. I need to go temple.
yeah, okay, yeah, just I'm closing session, no worries. Okay, this is there we can go for put it our investigation moving average, how the moving average, the position each and every month, how it was going, and we can go for analyze that where we can go for invest it on average where it was staying. Okay, so there we can go for use the moving average. Yeah, we can continue tomorrow. So try to work on this today. Tomorrow we try to finish this and we can move into the dashboards. Okay.
Thank you.